Someone once said that no matter where you are in the world, there is a rat within 5 meters of you. To that statement I'd like to add one of my own. No matter where you are in Japan, there is a vending machine within 10 meters of you. A while back I was chatting on the web with a friend in Florida. I turned on my web camera and opened the front door. Almost immediately he asked,
"What's that red thing in the street there?"
I replied, "A vending machine."
You'd never see that in the United States. It's against the zoning laws. You'd never see a vending machine sitting out in the middle of the street in a residential area. It's really weird.
Inspired by his comments, I decided to go ahead and make a short video about the Japanese vending machines. Japan is dotted with these small shrines. It is a custom to leave offerings in the form of money, food, or drinks. So what better place for a convenient vending machine? I'm not sure if this type of machine is for the monkeys living in the forest or for thirsty travelers. And where is the power coming from? On the subject of zoning laws, one wonders if the owner of this pristine Japanese home agreed to the vending machine because the color matched the garden walls. During the cherry blossom season in April, the Japanese nation moves outdoors to picnic under the blossoming trees. Feeling thirsty while walking? No problems here. Shrine roofs? Well, almost. They are actually carefully camouflaged vending machines. However, in this case they may be pardoned as they actually are selling amulets and good luck charms from the shrine. If you wake up in your apartment and feel thirsty, just go down to the entrance and you should find a conveniently situated vending machine at the door. However, if the machine doesn't have the beverage you want, pop across the street and try there. After visiting Kumamoto Castle and the cherry blossoms, you may need a refreshing drink as you wait at the bus stop. Leaving this 24-hour convenience store, you may realize that you forgot to buy a can of coffee. No need to turn and go back. Just cross the road and choose from any of the 13 machines situated strategically on the corner. Reflecting the trend in high-definition TV, vending machines are now appearing with that widescreen look. Back in 1985, this apartment block was considered to be very modern with its impressive entrance and vending machine. After a stroll beside the cabbage field, there is nothing to beat a relaxing smoke and a drink of coffee. To be fair, the developments in Japanese vending machines are now catering for people with various disabilities. This machine has been designed to be used by people confined to wheelchairs. The top row of buttons is out of reach, so each drink has a number from 1 to 15. At a convenient height, there is a row of duplicate buttons. The coin slot has a small cup in front to make it easier to just drop the coins in. Then the button is selected, the can drops down and the change drops out. all at a convenient height. After machines selling soft drinks, the next most widespread machines are for cigarettes. Yes, there are some machines that sell adult magazines, but they are not at all commonplace. Nowadays there is a growing resistance in Japan to the further spread of vending machines. And who knows, maybe the future could look like this.